This is the gorgeous 2021 CLA45s, and today we're going to be testing AMG Emotion Start. So to perform the AMG Emotion Start, all you need to do is hold down on one of the paddles and the brake, and then press the start button. Okay, so let's do that again. And another one. Even more pops that time. Okay, so now we have to try it again. Okay, this is the last one, I promise. Alright, okay, I lied. The next day I had to film some more. So there we have it guys, that's the AMG Emotion Start in the CLA45s. I actually think it sounds pretty sweet. What do you think? If you enjoyed this video and loved the CLA45s, don't forget to smash that like button. It really helps me and the channel out. It allows YouTube to share the video with more people. Thank you so much to everyone for supporting the channel. We've got loads of CLA45s content on the way, so if you're enjoying the CLA45s, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks again, I'll see you guys next time.